How to properly apply your press-on nails. First, you need to pick out your nail sizes. Once you have found your sizes for both hands, you can put those to the side and begin your nail prep process. Please start with clean, dry hands and be sure to remove any old nail polish. You will need your nail file, cuticle pusher, and alcohol wipe. Use your cuticle pusher to push back your cuticles and remove any skin from the surface of your natural nail. Then you will use your nail file to remove the natural shine from your nails and remove any extra skin that you may have missed. This step is crucial if you want your nails to stay on for as long as possible, so please take your time and do not rush through this process. Now you can take your alcohol wipe and completely dehydrate your natural nail. Be sure not to touch your nails after you have dehydrated them with the alcohol wipe. Allow the alcohol to completely evaporate from your nails, then you can begin your press-on nail application. If you are using the Nailholicstudio glue, simply twist the cap to break the seal. It is recommended that you apply the nails to your dominant hand first, starting with your pinky. You will notice that the process is much easier and faster this way. First, you will apply some glue directly to the back of the press-on nail. Then you will apply some glue directly to your natural nail. Apply the press-on nail as close to your cuticle as possible and hold the nail down for 20 seconds. You can also apply your press-on nails using two different brands of nail glue. IBD and Wonderbond glue are both really great brands and they are highly recommended. And a great alternative to alcohol wipes is 100% pure acetone, which can also be used to dehydrate your natural nail. Apply the Wonderbond glue directly to your natural nail. Then apply the IBD glue directly to the press-on nail. Now apply the press-on nail as close to your cuticle as possible and hold the nail down for 20 seconds. Moving on to the gel tape method, first you'll need to remove that protective film. Then you need to find the right size gel tape for your fingernail. Remove the gel tape from the plastic sheet and apply it directly to the press-on nail. The round corner of the gel tape should always face your cuticle. Peel off the protective film and apply the nail as close to your cuticle as possible. Hold the nail down for 20 seconds. You can also apply the gel tape directly to your natural nail first. Just be sure that the round corner is facing your cuticle and don't forget to remove the protective film. Apply the nail as close to your cuticle as possible and hold the nail down for 20 seconds. As you can see, the gel tape is quite durable, however, it is recommended for temporary wear only. It is also a good alternative for children or if you just don't want to use nail glue. Now you can apply your cuticle oil and you're good to go. So the secret to getting your press-on nails to stay on for 2 to 3 weeks is to prep your nail beds the same way you would if you were getting an acrylic full set, which is exactly what you have just learned in this tutorial. Nail prep is actually a skill, so practice makes perfect. The more you practice, the better you'll get, and you will notice better results each time. For the first few times, you may still experience pop-offs or lifting, which is normal, especially if this is your first time applying your press-on nails this way. Don't give up, just keep trying and your skills will improve. So if you have any questions, please leave a comment below and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks so much for watching.